Welcome to an exciting journey into the realm of possibilities. Today we ask the big question, what if humans could live on Mars? In this video, we'll explore the challenges, innovations, and what life might actually look like on the red planet. From surviving the harsh Martian environment to building sustainable communities, we'll cover it all.
So buckle up as we take you on a journey beyond Earth to our cosmic neighbor, Mars.
Let's begin by asking, why Mars? Mars is the most Earth-like planet in our solar system and a prime candidate for human colonization. Its day, known as a sol, is just over 24 hours, making it similar to Earth's cycle. Mars also has polar ice caps, which could provide water for future settlers. But living on Mars would be no walk in the park. The Martian atmosphere is incredibly thin, with 95% carbon dioxide and almost no oxygen. Temperatures on Mars are freezing, averaging around -80 degrees Fahrenheit or -60 degrees Celsius. Radiation is another major challenge, as Mars lacks a protective magnetic field like Earth's. So how could humans overcome these obstacles and live on Mars? Step 1 would be creating a sustainable habitat. Future Martian homes or habitats would need to be pressurized, insulated, and radiation shielded. They might be built underground or covered with Martian soil to protect against radiation. Advanced materials like self-healing concrete made from Martian resources could be used to construct these habitats. Step 2 involves water. Water is essential for life, and scientists believe there's frozen water beneath the Martian surface. Future settlers could mine this ice and use technology to purify and recycle water efficiently. Step 3 is food production. Growing food on Mars would be a challenge due to the planet's thin atmosphere and lack of nutrients in the soil. Hydroponics and aeroponics, methods of growing plants without soil, could be the solution. These systems would allow crops to grow in controlled environments within Martian habitats. Energy is another critical need. Solar panels could provide power, as Mars receives plenty of sunlight despite its distance from the sun. Nuclear energy might also be an option for consistent and reliable power. But what about transportation and communication? Getting to Mars is a monumental challenge in itself. It takes about 7 months to travel the 34 million miles, or 55 million kilometers, to Mars. Once there, astronauts would need vehicles for exploring the planet and transporting resources. Communication with Earth would have a delay of up to 24 minutes due to the distance. This means Mars settlers would need to be highly self-reliant. Now let's imagine what daily life might look like on Mars. Martian cities would likely be self-sustaining, with advanced technology to support human life. People might live in domes with controlled climates, complete with oxygen and artificial gravity. Recreation would take on a new meaning, with activities adapted to Mars's low gravity.
Imagine jumping 3 times higher or playing sports in slow motion.
Education, healthcare, and work would also adapt to the unique environment. Children could grow up learning about both Earth and Mars as their home planets. But living on Mars wouldn't just be about survival. It would be a chance to create a new society from scratch. Settlers could experiment with new ways of governance, economics, and social structures. Exploring Mars would also open up new scientific discoveries. From studying the planet's geology to searching for signs of past life, the possibilities are endless. However, colonizing Mars also raises ethical questions. Should we terraform Mars to make it more Earth-like, or should we preserve its natural state? And how do we ensure that Mars colonization benefits all of humanity, not just a select few? Despite these challenges, the dream of living on Mars continues to inspire people around the world. Organizations like SpaceX, NASA, and international space agencies are working tirelessly to make this vision a reality. If humans could live on Mars, it would mark a new chapter in our evolution as a species. It would show that we're capable of reaching beyond our home planet and adapting to entirely new environments. And who knows, living on Mars could be the first step toward exploring and colonizing other worlds in our galaxy. Thank you for joining us on this thrilling exploration of what life on Mars could look like. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting journeys into the world of science and technology. Until next time, keep looking up and dreaming big.